यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया नवरात्रि थाली। उसमें बहुत सारे आइटम्स हैं, फ्रूट्स हैं, कुट्टू की पूरी है, साबुदाना खिचड़ी है, लस्सी है, स्वीट लस्सी, इसके अलावा बनाना चिप्स हैं जो कि नवरात्रि जो फास्ट में है उनके लिए बनाया है। एंड वी आर फ्रॉम द क्राउन प्लाजा मयूर विहार, सो कम टू क्राउन प्लाजा मयूर विहार एंड एंजॉय द नवरात्रि थाली। थैंक यू।
As you can see, this is like a full-fledged sumptuous Navratri Thali. Hi, this is Honorable Chakladar. Actually, I'm from Kolkata. So in Kolkata, we don't have this kind of much of these thalis and Navratri celebration in this way. Now, at that place is Durga Puja, and Durga Puja celebration is quite different from the Navratri celebration. So I have a connection with UP and all, so I'm little aware of this particular ritual of Navratri. So as you can see, there is like so many things, and it's like a really fulfilling. Like you have got Kuttu Ki Puri, Sabudana Khichdi, Sabudana Kheer, Aloo Jeera, Lauki. Then we have got this chaat, fruits, banana chips. So all put together, it's like a really an amazing thali. This is from Crowne Plaza Mayur Vihar. So I would suggest you come and have this wonderful thali over here and celebrate Navratri. Wish you all the best. Have a lovely Navratri. Have a lovely time ahead.